Page number 17. You have already done numbers in your KG classes from 1 to 100. Now here we have recognition of numbers 1 to 10. And you know that you can count on your fingers also. Show me your fingers, all of you. Do like this, all of you. Let me see your fingers. Wali, let me see your fingers. Nipun, let me see your fingers. I cannot see. Adhiraj. Switch on your camera, Nipun. Adhiraj, you also switch on your camera.
कैमरा ऑन क्या हुआ है?
निपुण, अब आपका कैमरा ऑन हो गया है, माइक भी ऑन है. माइक को ऑफ करिए, सिर्फ कैमरा ऑन करिए. Adhiraj, Sakina, switch on your cameras. Sakina, switch on your camera, child. Rishita, switch on your camera. Okay, now let me see your fingers. All right. Let's continue. There was some network problem, I think. Let me see your fingers quickly. All right. Now we are going to learn to count on our fingers. Let's do. Show me one finger. Quickly, quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in one hand we have 5 fingers. Now we are going to take help from the other hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See, we got 10 fingers. All of you got 10 fingers?
Yeah.
All right. Now on page number 17, you have to trace the numbers. See, the numbers are given on page number 17. The first column shows you fingers. Second column shows you the numbers. The third column shows you the number names, the spellings of the numbers. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5. Now turn the page. SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. Got it, all of you? Okay, now let me tell you one thing, children. We have fill in the missing numbers by forward counting. Forward means आगे बढ़ना. Forward means आगे बढ़ना. And backwards means पीछे आना. Forward means, Aradhya, what does forward mean? Quickly, Aradhya, switch on your mic. डरते नहीं है बेटे, आंसर करते हैं. माइक ऑन करिए. Forward means to go, move ahead, आगे जाना. Say आगे जाना. And backwards means, backward means पीछे आ जाना. All of you raise one hand of yours. Raise your right hand, all of you. Okay. Now move it forward. आगे लेकर आइए अपने हाथ को ऐसे. सबका हाथ दिखना चाहिए. This is forward. Now backward. स्लोली स्लोली पीछे ले जाइए, पीछे. दिस इज बैकवर्ड. फॉरवर्ड, बैकवर्ड. डू इट ऑल ऑफ यू. दिस इज फॉरवर्ड, this is backwards. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to do counting. Show me your right hand. Okay, now we are going to count forward. 1. I want to see your lips moving. माइक कोई ऑन नहीं करेगा, लेकिन सबके लिप मूवमेंट मुझे दिखने चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called forward counting. हम 1 से आगे जा रहे हैं. This is forward counting. Now we are going to do backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now Hardik, I can see you playing with your pencil. You are not doing what ma'am is doing. Put your pencil down. All of you put your pencils down. Do I have a pencil in my hand, children? Then why are you holding a pencil? Come on again. Forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इसको हम बोलते हैं फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. जब हम आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं और जब हम पीछे वापस आएंगे तब हम बैकवर्ड करेंगे. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? बैकवर्ड. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. एक बार और बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करेंगे. हसन, शो मी योर हैंड. कम ऑन, डू इट. हसन. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now quickly. Let me see. Manjeet, come on, quickly show me forward counting on your fingers. How will you do? Mic को on करिए.
5.
Forward counting. Forward. Forward means आगे बढ़ना.
5.
Forward means आगे बढ़ना. 1. 1. मंजीत मैम की तरफ देखिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इसको बोलते हैं फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. जब हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और जब वापस आएंगे उसको बोलेंगे बैकवर्ड. अब बैकवर्ड करके दिखाइए जल्दी से मंजीत. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. आप सामने कोई खड़ा है उनको देख के कर रहे हैं, मैम को देख के नहीं कर रहे हैं. ऑल राइट, नाउ हार्दिक, you show me forward counting. Quickly, जल्दी जल्दी करेंगे. हार्दिक, forward counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, thank you, Hardik. Wait, Hassan, show me backward counting quickly. Hassan, backward counting.
5,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
2,
Yes. Very good. That's right. So all of you have understood. Now what you're going to do is page number 18. Page number 18. You can see one little frog over here. He's doing forward counting. He's going to take you forward. And then there's a little catch made here on the second one. You have to do backwards. You have to write numbers backwards from 10. Now come on, do that all of you just now. Do that just now. Start doing it, Hassan. Pick up your pencils. Start doing forward and backward. Arav, you finished? मैम ने 5 तक आपको बताया, उसके आगे आप करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is forward. And backwards will be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? Come on, do it now, all of you. Ria got it? Start doing.
I'm doing it.
When you finish, you raise your hand. Asta's finished? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ishandi is finished. All right. Manjeet, you finished? All right. Okay.
Ma'am?
Pradha is also finished. Aradhya is finished. Give me a thumbs up, Aradhya. Omansh is also finished. All right. Okay. Once you finish with that, you will start writing, tracing numbers. You will trace
Ma'am,
these
this is
numbers. Page number 17. Page number 17. You have to trace the numbers and the number names. And also page number 18. Start doing that. Do it now in class.
Ma'am.
Yes, Asta.
Ma'am, I will do it.
You have already done it. Okay, then you sit quietly while the others finish it. Do it, children. All of
Ma'am,
you.
I already done it.
You've already done it. Okay, then you sit quietly while the others do it. Let the others do it.
Ma'am, done it.
All right, give me a thumbs up when you finish. Don't switch on your mics. See, Bali is giving a thumbs up. Okay, good. All right, Nipun. Manjeet is finished.
मेरा भी हो गया होमवर्क डन.
All right. Okay. When you finish, give a thumbs up. When all of you finish, give me a thumbs up. Okay, I think almost everybody's finished. Now, children, remember one thing. Whenever we begin work, you have to put the date. So, page number 17 and 18, please put today's date 24/5/2021. Today's date 24/5/2021. Put the date there.
डेट क्या है मम्मा?
Today's date is 24/5/2021.
24 dash
5/2021. Ishanvi, Astha, mute yourselves. Yes, Vali. Vali, you finished? आस्था बेटे, अगर आप पहले से सब कुछ कर लेंगे फिर क्लास में मैम क्या पढ़ाएंगी आपको? फिर आप खाली बैठी रहेंगी. Yes, it's good that you have done. You should have done it in your rough register or something. Now you've already finished everything. What are you going to do in the class when the other children are doing work?
मैम मुझे
Wali, now we have finished page 17, 18. Vali, we have finished page 17, 18. Alright, now we are moving to page number 19. Children, page number 19. Ready? Page number 19. Look at each group. Circle the number that tells us how many are in each group. Now, can you see all the pictures on that page? Yes? Give me a thumbs up quickly. You can all see. Okay, that's good. Now, the first picture, you have some corns over there. In the first picture, you can see some corns, and the numbers that are written are 742. 742. Now you have to count the number of corns that are there and then circle the correct number. So, Hassan, the first picture, can you count? Count the first number of corns in the first picture and tell me. Mic on करके count करिए. Yes, count.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
कौन कितने हैं? ये वाली पिक्चर काउंट करनी है. हसन, लुक हियर. ये कितनी है यहाँ पर? इसको काउंट करना है.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Okay. So children, Hassan says there are 4 corns here. Is he right? Is he right? Give me a thumbs up if yes. Very good. Now we are going to circle number 4. All of you circle number 4. All right. Very good. Arham, count the second picture. Look at the second picture, Arham. Yes. And count how many bottles? 2. That's right. So circle 2. Very good. Rishita, the next picture. You have ice creams. Count how many? Mic on kariye. Switch on your mic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9.
6 ice cream. Rishita says there are 6 ice cream. Is she correct, children? Others? Yes, then give me a thumbs up. Okay, all of you circle 6. That's right. Shub, count the butterflies in the next picture. Shub, can you hear me, child? I think there's some network error. Shivansh, can you hear me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done.
All right, then you sit quietly. Shivansh, count the butterflies. Switch on your mic and count loudly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
So, Shivansh says there are 8 butterflies. Is he correct, children? Okay, everybody gives a thumbs up. So, we circle 8. That's right. Shub, the next picture, you have some mobile phones there. Shub, can you hear me now? I think he still cannot hear me. Visual, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Visual. Count the number of phones in the next picture.
3, ma'am.
Count
3,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3. So you circle 3. Okay. Prashasti, the next one. Prashasti, the next picture. Count how many hats are there.
Ma'am, 6.
Put your finger and count. I want to hear you counting. And I want to see you doing it. Yes. Count. 1. Count in the picture,
1,
child.
2.
You have the book? Do you have the book? Yes. Now count over there. 1, फिंगर रख के वहां पे काउंट करिए.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, Prashasti says there are 6 hats. All of you, is she correct? Is she correct? You also have to count. जब एक बच्चे को मैम करने के लिए बोल रही है, बाकी सबको अपनी प्लेस पर माइक ऑफ करके करना है काउंट. Is Prashasti correct? Yes, Hardik is also giving a thumbs up. So, circle 6 and put today's date on that page. Don't forget to put the date. मंजीत, आज बहुत नींद आ रही है. You must put your hand on your mouth, children, when you yawn. Now turn the page. We have a beautiful picture given over there. Turn the page to page number 20. Look at the picture there. Beautiful picture. Such a lot of animals. Yes, so many animals. Now you have to do this. You have to count all the animals and then write the numbers there. And the exercise which is given below here, नीचे वाली जो एक्सरसाइज है वहां पे आपको नंबर नेम्स लिखने हैं. तो अब मैम की बात बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. दिस एक्सरसाइज यू विल डू फॉर होमवर्क. ये एक्सरसाइज होमवर्क के लिए करेंगे. अकेले बैठ के एनिमल्स को काउंट करेंगे और अपने आप करेंगे. कल हम लोग ये क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. Put over there HW and today's date. Put HW and today's date. All of you. Astha, put HW and today's date. Aradhya, put today's date and HW over there. Hassan, have you written HW and today's date over there? All right. Now this exercise where you have to write number names. Number names. Count the objects and write the number names. One has been done for you. This also you will do for homework. Put over there HW. Number names you have already done till 100, so you know the spellings. Hassan. Have you all written HW? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Now, listen carefully. Close your books, fold your hands. We'll stop here. And take. There are some more children. Yes.
बहुत गरम हो गया है.
Okay, then you can exit, Manjeet. I will be sending you some maths homework. हम ग्रुप में मैथ्स का होमवर्क डालेंगे, वो आप आज कंप्लीट करेंगे, अपने आप करेंगे, और जिस दिन हम काम मांगेंगे उस दिन आप सेंड करेंगे. I'm just taking attendance once again. There are some more children who joined just now who were not there in the morning. Hayat is here just now. Hayat Khan, are you there? No. Mahira Fazal, are you there? I think Vihan is here. Vihan, are you there? Vihan Tiwari, are you there? Yes, Vihan is there. I can see Vihan there. All right, so children, we end our maths class here. Next period, now listen carefully to what I am saying. Next period, we will do this book. Next period, today we are going to do this book. Can you all see this book?
Yes, ma'am.
Omash, which book is this? Can you read?
Practice and more.
Very good. Arav, which book is this?
Practice and more.
Okay, so in the next period, everybody will be ready with this book, right? Yes. So take your break, have some water, and then we'll meet
Okay,
again in the
ma'am.
next period. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye, children. Thank you.
ma'am.